I'm here with one of your first looks at the brand new Apple Watch Series 10 or Apple Watch 10, whatever you want to call it. Either way, we are in 10 years of the Apple Watch, which means that there were some big design changes in store. And that's starting with the display sizes. Instead of 41 and 45, now we have 42 and 46. And the amount of display space on that 46mm size actually gets you more display, or usable display, I should say, than on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Getting up close with it, probably the biggest design difference that I'm feeling is the Apple Watch Series 10 thickness. It's just 9.7mm thick, making it 10% thinner than the Apple Watch Series 9 and the thinnest Apple Watch yet. But the design changes don't stop there. This is also the first Apple Watch with a wide OLED display. The benefit of that is that when I'm looking at my Apple Watch off angle, which you often will do, you'll be able to see the pixels more clearly. That always on display now updates once every second versus before when it was once every minute. That's in clear effect on the new watch face that's launching alongside the Apple Watch Series 10. The new Flux watch face on the Apple Watch Series 10 shows the seconds as they go by. So it's like seeing just how far through a minute you are, even when your wrist isn't tweaking. And then when it is, I love that new watch face a lot, actually. Last thing I'll mention in terms of design, and I think some people are gonna love it and some people are gonna hate it. They're gonna love the new aluminum colors. There's jet black, silver, and rose gold. Those are some fan favorites. Maybe the bad is that there's no more stainless steel Apple Watch. Instead, we have a new polished titanium. Let's run through the Apple Watch Series 10 new features very quickly. First, we have sleep apnea detection. That was a long-rumored feature that has finally come to the Apple Watch. And when you wear your Apple Watch to sleep overnight, your watch and phone together through the Health app will be able to detect for signs of sleep apnea detection, or if you're waking up multiple times throughout the night. If you've seen my videos before, you know I talk about how important getting great sleep is, and it's awesome that we have devices like this that are trying to help. Apple seems confident that it will get FDA clearance for the sleep apnea detection feature on Apple Watch Series 10, but for now you can get an alert that says you have possible sleep apnea detection, and it may suggest you go seek out medical help. Sadly, but not surprisingly, Apple Watch Series 10 does not have any significant battery life upgrades. However, it does charge faster. You can get up to 80% in just 30 minutes, which is a good upgrade. I'm really looking forward to testing out the Apple Watch Series 10 in the upcoming weeks, so let me know what you'd want to see from a full review, or if you have any other questions down in the comments. You can see so much more behind the scenes from the Apple event on all of our socials, so be sure to check it out everywhere at Tom's Guide. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.